Student, this is Nadeemuddin, your biology teacher. I welcome to you in the IBMPS online classes. Okay, we will discuss first chapter of 9th class biology, that is cell. Cell, what is cell? Cell is a structural and functional unit of life of an organism. Means cell is a functional and structural unit of life or an organism. Do you know organism? Organism means living things. Okay, cell is a functional and structural unit of an organism. We can say it is a fundamental unit of life. Cell is a fundamental unit of life, or we can say cell is a smallest unit of an organism. Understand, students? Cell is a functional and structural unit of life or an organism. Second, cell is a fundamental unit of life or an organism. Third one, cell is the smallest unit of an organism. That's okay. As you know, cell is a minute structure which is present in the organism. The first cell discovered by Robert Hooke since 1665, as you know. That cell was the dead cell. Okay, you can write, okay, we can say send the notes. Okay, now cell, we will discuss about the discovery of the cell. The first cell discovered by the Robert Hooke since 1665. Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke discovers first cell in the corkwood, means corkwood. Dead cell discovered by the Robert Hooke was the dead cell. It was the dead. It is not the living cell. The living cells discovered by the Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Do you know Antony van Leeuwenhoek discovered the living cell? Okay, now we will discuss next topic. It is types of the cell. Before the starting of the types of the cell, we can tell you one thing. All the organism made up of cells, सभी organism cells से मिलकर बने होते हैं. As you know, the group of cells is called the tissue. The group of tissue is also called the organ. A group of organ is called the organ system. Okay, not a problem. Now we will discuss about the types of cells. First cell is prokaryotic. Prokaryotic cell. Do you know what the means of prokaryotic cell? Pro means primitive or primary cell. We can say in Hindi पुराना टाइप का सेल. तो as you know, pro means primitive, karyotic means nucleus. Primitive nucleus. The structure of the prokaryotic cell is here. As you know, there is a difference between the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. In the middle side of the prokaryotic cell, there is no nuclear membrane over the nucleus. There is no nuclear membrane over the nucleus. Second thing is it has only single helix DNA. Means single helix. There is no double helix DNA present in the nucleus. And another thing, here is only one cell organelle which is present in the cytoplasm of the prokaryotic cell is ribosome. Okay. Do you understand? I repeat again, in the prokaryotic cell, it has no nuclear membrane. Second thing, it has no double helix DNA. Third thing, there is only one cell organelle is ribosome, nothing else. Another things, here is a eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. What do you understand by the eukaryotic cells? Eu means good or well. Karyotic means nucleus. Means the cell where a good nucleus present is called the eukaryotic cell. मीन्स जहाँ पर अच्छे टाइप का न्यूक्लियस मिलेगा उसको हम यूकैरियोटिक सेल कहते हैं. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल स्ट्रक्चर एंड यूकैरियोटिक सेल स्ट्रक्चर? हियर इज ए यूकैरियोटिक सेल स्ट्रक्चर. हियर इज ए न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन ओवर द न्यूक्लियस. हियर इज ए डबल हेलिक्स डीएनए. And here the present different types of cell organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, ribosomes, etc. Mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, lysosomes and many more. Okay, what is the difference between the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell? Here is no nuclear membrane in the prokaryotic cell, but nucleus membrane present in the eukaryotic cell over the nucleus. Second thing, here is only single helix DNA, single stranded DNA. Here is a double helix or double stranded DNA. Here is only one cell organelle, means parts of the cell, only ribosome which is present in the cytoplasm. Here is a different types of cell organelles like ribosome, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, etc. Yet the structure you can see again, this called the outer layer of the cell is called the cell ball. Inner layer of the cell is called the plasma membrane or cell membrane. Understood? Plasma membrane or cell membrane. Okay, the liquid or the medium present between the cell membrane and nucleus is called the cytoplasm. Okay, the liquid which is present in the nucleus is called the nucleoplasm. Okay, here is a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, as you know, cytoplasm, the outer part of the nucleus, it's called the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. The liquid present in the nucleus is called the nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm. The membrane of the nucleus is called the nuclear membrane. One thing you have remember always is that what is the difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cell. Understood? Only three you have to remind. One is there is no nuclear membrane, there is no double helix DNA, there is no cell organelle except ribosome. Here is all types of cell organelles present, double helix DNA also and nuclear membrane also. On the basis of the cell type, we can divide the organism. Okay, next topic of types of cells, types of organism on the basis of cell. We can divide all the organism which is present in the earth into the different parts on the basis of their cell structure. Okay, there is a different types of cell structure present. You can understand. Okay, one thing, whenever you divide the organism all the world, first you have to remind, first topic is cell. Okay, what was that? Okay, division of the organism. Division of the organisms on the basis of cell structure or cell type. As you know, cell has a two type, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. First, we have to understand what is the prokaryotic. Okay, first, cells has a two type, also you know very well. Prokaryotic means you know what was the structure of the prokaryotic cell. Here is all the bacteria present, all the bacterias we can say, and blue green algae. All the bacteria and blue green has a prokaryotic cell. Okay, prokaryotic cells always a unicellular. Prokaryotic cell organism may be only one cell organism, one cell organism. We can say unicellular. Unicellular. You have to remind always all the prokaryotic organism made up of single cell. It is called unicellular. What about the eukaryotic cell organism? Eukaryotic cell organism divide into two parts. First is unicellular, second one is multicellular. Unicellular means single cell organism, unicellular. Multi means many cells organisms. You can understand. Have you seen the structure? Okay, next topic we will discuss next classes. Thank you.